Idea, sketch, design. Creative D Bobby, king of the channel, teaches these steps and everything else he has to offer. And his One Piece Jolly Roger series drives countless souls to the comet seas. This is the time known as the Great Pirate Design Era.
Come on, boys,
Bow.
bring along all your hopes and dreams. Together we will create everything that you're looking for. One Piece, Jolly Roger, Jolly Roger.
First up, we have Alexis with the black-haired pirates. So we are looking for black hair and red shades to be the inspiration for this design. So we got the black-haired pirates. So with the black-haired pirates, the directive, pretty simple: red shades, black-haired pirates. Let's get it. So taking the eyes in the template skull, making them red, having the connector. It's simple shapes can do a lot of work, because our brains want to put two and two together. So you just have to manipulate what you got. So I have the red shades, and then with the hair, I actually took a little bit of inspiration from Luffy's hair actually, but then I kind of stylized it on this skull. So it's more, a lot of hair on top, nothing on the sides, make it seem like not quite a mohawk, but something a little edgy, something that would definitely be in an anime. And then I have the shine on the glasses to kind of make it, pretty certain that, that with the glasses there. I wanted to have a little hair coming down just to make sure, make it perfectly clear that it's hair on top. And then I had the shades on the glasses, the reflector, and then I have the smile at the end. So there you go, the black-haired pirates. Next up, we have my boy TJ Tooley with the quill and ink pirates. So the inspo words for this one: quill, ink, writer. So with the quill and ink pirates, obviously you wanted to have the quill, but then also wanted to have that container where the ink is that the quill is dipped into. But I was unsure how I was going to incorporate this into a Jolly Roger. So I could have tried to have the quills cross each other like they were swords or bones behind the skull, but you wouldn't really get the detail that it was a quill. So also, I didn't know where to put the ink container. So as I was designing, I was like, oh, wouldn't it be cool if the ink container, simplified enough, could be like the mouth of the skull? And then I thought it'd be cool if the quill was actually drawing the eye patch, the traditional pirate eye patch on the face. So I have the quill there with the ink that's going from the head that doubles as an eye patch, and then have it go to the tip of the pen. So there you have it, the quill and ink pirates. And finally, we have the night owl with the frozen owl pirates. So we're looking at frozen, owl, and Arabian swords. Now, the frozen owl pirates was a little more involved, a little more going on, but I think I cracked the code on it. So with the skull, now when you do a Jolly Roger of a non-human variety, so this is going to be an owl, so you want the front characteristics to mimic owl. So I'm just going to call them eyebrows here. That's probably not right, but I'm just calling them eyebrows. Vicious eyebrows up top. And it also acts as like lets you know that this owl means business. And then with the sword, I actually took a real sword and kind of used that as inspiration. And then I have the Arabian sword with the ice at the end of the sword. So you have that blue there representing the ice, representing the frozen. And then to make sure that the owl motif hits home, I actually did the pupils similar to what an owl is, with the shine inside the eyes, just to make sure that this is an owl. Then I adjusted the nose, so made sure that was owl, and then I crossed the swords, and then figured out, okay, how am I going to do these swords? So I ended up deciding to have the swords kind of contour the face and then adjust the skull so that it fit within there and the skull looked more like an owl's skull. So I adjusted that, had the ice at the bottom, and there you go. The Frozen Owl Pirates. Let's get it. You know the drill. Let me know in the comment section down below, what would your pirate crew be named? Also, make sure you haven't missed out on the whole series that I put a playlist for right here.